Here I am going to start with the chapter matrices. Voice back in way. I am going to start with the new chapter matrices. First I am going to define what is a matrix. What is a matrix? Matrix, it is an arrangement of elements. It is an arrangement of elements. It is arrangement of elements in rows and columns. In rows and columns. In rows and columns. The elements may be real or complex number. Real or complex numbers. Real or complex number. Time ಕೊಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Example. See, usually matrices are denoted by capital letters. A is a matrix. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a matrix. This matrix has 2 rows. First one is called as R1, second one is called as R2, and it has 2 columns, C1 and C2. Therefore, the order of the matrix is 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 is, it has 2 rows and 2 columns. You write it as A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix. Another example for a matrix is, this is 1, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 5, 9, 8. It is also a matrix. It has 3 rows, R1, R2, R3, and it has 3 columns, C1, C2, C3. Therefore, the order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. I have given 2 examples. One is A and another is B. Usually matrices are denoted by. Capital letter A, B, C, etc. A, B, C, D, etc. First one is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Second one is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Why it is 2 cross 2? It has 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, order is 2 cross 2. Second one is, it has 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 3 columns. Order is 3 cross. Usually matrices are denoted by capital letter A, B, C. Next side heading is types of matrices. Types of matrices. Types of matrices. Side heading is types of matrices. First one is zero matrix. Zero or null matrix. Zero or a null matrix. Zero matrix is a matrix in which all the elements are zero. In which all the elements are zero is called a zero matrix. Is called a zero matrix. And it is denoted by this symbol 0. It is denoted by 0. Example, 0 matrix is denoted by 0. Here 0 matrix in which the order may be anything. It may have any order. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Its order is 2 cross 3. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. Order is 2 cross 3. Usually 0 matrices are denoted by 0. What is the difference of the time code? Second matrix is row matrix. It is a matrix having only one row. Only one row is called a row matrix. Is called a row matrix. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. It is a row matrix because it has only one row. And columns are C1, C2, C3. Therefore, the order of this matrix is 1 cross 3. It has 1 row and 3 columns. It may have any number of columns, but it should have only 1 row. It is called as a row matrix. Next, third one is column matrix. Third type is column matrix. Third one is a column matrix. Matrix having only one column. Only one column is called a column matrix. 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 Example is B is equal to 1, 5, 7. This is an example for a column matrix because it has only one column, but it has 3 rows. It has 3 rows and only one column. Therefore, order is 3 cross 1. First you have to write the row number, next you have to write the column number. It has 3 rows and only one column. Therefore, order is 3 cross 1. Order is 3 cross 1. Fourth one is square matrix. Fourth one is square matrix. Fourth one is square matrix. Matrix having the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. Is called a square matrix. See, a matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4. Second example: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3. In the first example, the number of rows is R1 and R2 and the number of columns are C1 and C2. Therefore, the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Therefore, it is a square matrix. It has 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, it is called as a square matrix. Matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. In the first example, it has 2 rows, R1 and R2, and it is 2 columns, C1 and C2. Out of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Therefore, A is a square matrix. Whereas in the second example, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. Both the example are example for a square matrix. Fifth one is identity matrix. Fifth one is identity matrix. Fifth one is identity matrix. It is a square matrix. It is a square matrix. It is a square matrix in which all the elements are 0. In which all the elements are zeros except the principal diagonal element. Except the principal diagonal element which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. See, identity matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements are zeros except the principal diagonal element which is equal to 1. Denoted by I. Identity matrix is always denoted by capital letter I. It is denoted by I. I will give example for an identity matrix. I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. This is one identity matrix. Second one is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. These two are the example for an identity matrix. It is a square matrix, means all number of rows and columns must be equal. It is a square matrix, means number of rows and columns must be equal. See, in the first example, all the elements are 0. This is the principal diagonal element. This is the principal diagonal element. In this case, this is the principal diagonal element. Whereas this one, it is a secondary diagonal element. This is the secondary and this is principal diagonal element. Definition of a identity matrix: it is a square matrix in which all the elements are 0 except the principal diagonal element which is equal to 1. Which is equal to 1. This is one of the example for an identity matrix. In the second matrix, all the elements are 0 except the principal diagonal element which is equal to 1. All principal diagonal element must be 1 and all other elements are 0 is called an identity matrix. These two are the example for an identity matrix. It is a square matrix, means number of rows and column must be equal. Number of rows and column must be equal. Therefore, it is called as an identity matrix. These two are the example for an identity matrix. Identity matrix are denoted by capital letter I. Next one is, sixth one is scalar matrix. Sixth one is scalar matrix. It is a square matrix. It is a square matrix in which all the elements are 0. In which all the elements are 0. All the elements are 0 except the principal diagonal element, except the principal diagonal element, except the principal diagonal element which are same not equal to 1, which are same not equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then it becomes an identity matrix. Scalar matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements are zeros except the principal diagonal element which are same not equal to 1. Scalar matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements are zeros except the principal diagonal element which are same not equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, it becomes an identity matrix. Example is C is equal to 2002. This is one example. D is equal to 500,050,005. These two are the example for a scalar matrix. It is a square matrix because order of this matrix is 2 cross 2, in which all the elements are 0 except the principal diagonal element which are same but not equal to 1. All the elements are 0 except the principal diagonal element which are same not equal to 1. Third one, second one is also a 3 cross 3 matrix. It is a square matrix in which all the elements are 0 except the principal diagonal element which are same not equal to 1. These two are the example for a scalar matrix. Next one is seventh one, triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. Seventh one is triangular matrix. It is a square matrix. It is a square matrix in which all the elements are 0, in which all the elements are zeros all the elements are zeros except the principal diagonal element, except the principal diagonal element, except the principal diagonal element which are different, which are different, except the principal diagonal element which are different. Triangular matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements are zeros except the principal diagonal element which are different. Example: 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. See here, this is the principal diagonal element. This is the principal diagonal element which are different and all the elements are zeros. This is an example for a triangular matrix. The paid version. These are some of the types of matrices. Next we will go for equal matrices. Only 7 types of matrices. Next one is, it is not under types, it is different. Equality of 2 matrices, sided. Equality of 2 matrices. Equality of 2 matrices. 2 matrix. 2 matrix A and B are said to be equal. A and B are said to be equal. 2 matrix A and B are said to be equal if their corresponding elements, if their corresponding elements are equal. Elements are equal. Suppose example, A is equal to X, Y, Z, T. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A is X, Y, Z, T. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. We say that A is said to be equal means if their corresponding elements are equal. That means X is equal to 1. Here the corresponding elements for Y is 2. Here the corresponding elements for Z is 3. Here the corresponding elements for T is 4. Therefore X is 1, Y is 2, Z is 3, T is 4. That means 2 matrix A and B are said to be equal if their corresponding elements are equal. This is the answer. Next you write note. A general M cross N matrix A general M cross N matrix is of the form A is equal to A11, A12, A13, etc. A1n. A11, A12, A13, A1n. Second element is A21, A22, A23, etc. A2n, etc. Third row, fourth row. The last one is mth row. AM1, AM2, AM3. The last element is AMN. This is a matrix of order M cross N. It has M rows. First row, second row, third row, mth row. And it has N columns. First column, second column, third column, nth column. Here in this matrix, the first suffix gives the row number. Second suffix gives the column number. A11 means first row, first column. A12 means first row, second column. A13 means first row, third column. A1n means first row, nth column. Similarly, A21 means second row, first column. Second row, second column. Second row, third column. Second row, nth column. The last one is mth row, first column. Mth row, second column. Mth row, third column. M into n is mth row, nth column. Therefore, it is a matrix of order M cross N. This is the general M cross N matrix. This is general M cross N matrix. First suffix gives the row number, second suffix gives the column number. First row, second column, first row, third column, first row, nth column. Second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, second row, nth column. The last row is mth row, first column, mth row, second column, mth row, third column, mth row, nth column. Therefore, the order of this matrix is M cross N. It has M rows and M columns, and the number of elements is in this matrix. The number of elements in this matrix is Mn elements. The number of elements in this matrix is M into n elements. The number of elements in this matrix, that is in this matrix, is Mn elements. Take down the problems. First problem, matrix A is equal to 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Question, write. First question is write order of the matrix. Write order of the matrix. leave a little bit of space. Second question is the number of elements. Write the number of elements. Third one is write the elements. Write the elements. Write the elements. First one is A13, A21, A33, A24. Tell me, this matrix has how many rows? 3 rows, R1, R2, R3. And it has 4 columns, C1, C2, C3, C4. First you have to write the row number. It has 3 rows. For the first question, write the order of the matrix. It has 3 rows and number of columns is 4. Order is 3 cross 4. Order is 3 cross 4. See here the general matrix. A11, A12, it has M cross N matrix. It has Mn elements. Therefore, this matrix has how many elements? It has 3 rows and 4 columns. That is 3 into 4, nothing but 12 elements. It has 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 into 4 is 12 elements. Next, the third one is write the elements A13. This is A11, A12, A13. A13 is, what is the element here? 19. A13, A11, A12, A13 is 19. This is second row. A21 is 35. A21, A22, A23, A24. A21 is 35. A33 is A31, A32, A33. A33 is minus 5. A33 is minus 5. The last one is A24, A21, A22, A23, A24. A24 is 12. A24 is 12. See, next problem is construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix where A is, matrix A is Ij. A is a matrix, the elements are Ij, whose elements is given by first problem is Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. I plus j whole square by 2. See, the question is construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A. The elements of A are Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Since it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, the matrix A is of the form A11, A12, A21, A22. This A is a 2 cross 2 matrix because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. Order is 2 cross 2. Order is 2 cross 2. See, here in this problem Aij is given. Aij is I plus j whole square by 2. I have to calculate all these 4 elements. I have to calculate A11, A12, A21, A22. From this one, A11 is I have to calculate A11. That means you have to replace I by 1, J by 1 in this one. It becomes 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. Replace I by 1, J by 1 in Aij. It becomes 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. This is 2 square by 2. This is 4 by 2. It is nothing but 2. We have calculated the first element A11, which is equal to 2. A11 is 2 here. Next, I have to calculate the second element A12. Replace I by 1, J by 2. Therefore, A12 becomes A12. Replace I by 1, J by 2. This is 1 plus J is 2 whole square divided by 2. I is 1, J is 2. 1 plus 2 whole square by 2. This is 3 square by 2. Answer is 9 by 2. Answer is 9 by 2. I have calculated A11, A12. Next I have to calculate A21. To calculate A21, I have to replace I by 2, J by 1. Replace I by 2, J by 1. This becomes 2 plus 1 whole square by 2. A21 means replace I by 2, J by 1. 2 plus 1 whole square by 2. This is 3 square by 2. This is nothing but 9 by 2. This is 9 by 2. This is the third element A21. Next, fourth element is A22. Fourth element is A22. We have to calculate this element. That is, we have to replace I by 2, J by 2. Here, this becomes I is 2 plus J is 2. 2 plus 2 whole square by 2. This is 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square by 2. This is 16 by 2. This is nothing but 8. Nothing but 8. I have calculated all the 4 elements A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now we have to write the matrix. Everybody is calculating all these 4 elements while doing the problem. But if you are not substituting in this matrix, you will get 0. Therefore, the matrix 2 cross 2 matrix A is nothing but. Final answer is this one. A11 is nothing but 2. A12 is nothing but 9 by 2. A21 is nothing but 9 by 2. A22 is nothing but 4. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. In the examination, there will be one question of this type for 1 mark in part A. This is a problem based on part A, that is 1 mark. You have to write this answer. You are calculating all these things, and if you don't write the matrix, you will get 0. Writing the matrix is important. Second problem is Aij is equal to I divided by J. I divided by J. Second question. Again the question is construct a 2 cross 2 matrix you have to form a 2 cross 2 matrix. Therefore, the matrix 2 cross 2 matrix A is A11, A12, A21, A22. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix because it has 2 rows and 2 columns. First, I am going to calculate A11. A11 is nothing but Aij is given. A11 means replace I by 1, j by 1. This is 1 divided by 1. This is nothing but 1. First element A11 is I is 1, j is 1, I by j is 1 by 1. That is nothing but 1. Second element is A12. I is 1, j is 2. A12 is 1 by 2. I calculated A12. Next is the third element is A21. I is 2, j is 1. I is 2, j is 1. It is nothing but 2. Aij is given here. I is 2, j is 1. 2 by 1 is 2. Next, A22 is I is 2, j is 2. I is 2, j is 2. This is 2 by 2. Nothing but 1. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Finally, you have to substitute in this matrix. Therefore, the final answer is A is. A11 is nothing but 1. A12 is nothing but 1 by 2. A21 is nothing but 2. A22 is nothing but 1. This is the final answer. You have to write this matrix. Final answer A is A11 is 1, A12 is half, A21 is 2, A22 is 1. This is the 2 cross 2 matrix. Final answer is 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. Third question, same 2 cross 2 matrix. Third question is Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square. I plus 2j whole square whole divided by 2. Again the question is construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix is of the form A11, A12, A21, A22. Aij is given. Calculate A11. Calculate A11. Replace I by 1, j by 1. This is 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square. 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square divided by 2. This is 3 square by 2. This is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Replace I by 1, j by 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square. by 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 square by 2, 9 by 2. I have to calculate the second element A12. Replace I by 1, j by 2. Therefore it becomes 1 plus 2 into j is 2 whole square by 2. This is 1 plus 4 whole square by 2. This is 5 square by 2. 25 by 2. 5 square is 25 by 2. A12 means replace I by 1, j by 2. 1 plus 2 into 2 whole square by 2. This is 4 plus 1, 5 square is 25 by 2. Third element is A21. Third element is A21. We have to replace I by 2, j by 1. Replace I by 2, j by 1, it becomes A21. Replace I by 2, j by 1 whole square by 2. This is nothing but 2 plus 2 is 4 square by 2. This is 4 square is 16 by 2. This is nothing but 8. Next I have to calculate the fourth element A22. A22 is nothing but replace I by 2, j by 2 here. This is 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square. Replace I by 2, j by 2, 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square by 2. This is 2 plus 4 whole square by 2. This is 6 square by 2, 36 by 2, 80. 80. Therefore, final answer is you have to replace in this matrix A11, A12, A21, A22, these values. Therefore, the required matrix is A11 we have calculated, this is 9 by 2. A11 is 9 by 2. A12 is 25 by 2. A21 is 8. A22 is 18. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. In the examination, you have a question in part A for 1 marks. Construct a 2 cross 2 or 2 cross 3 and the elements are given by like this. We have to calculate all these elements. Finally, you have to substitute in the matrix A. You have to substitute here. If you calculate all these things, if you don't write the matrix, you will get 0. Writing the matrix is important. 1 mark carry for writing this matrix only, not for the calculation. Next, third question is construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by. Whose elements are given by. Whose elements are given by. First question, Aij is equal to. Whose elements are given by Aij is equal to. Aij is equal to modulus half into modulus of minus 3i plus j. Minus 3i plus j. Aij is given. Question is, we have to construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. We have to construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. 3 cross 4 matrix is of which form? It has 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 cross 4 means 3 rows and 3 columns. The elements are like this: A11, A12, A13, A14. It has 3 rows and 4 columns. Second row is A21, A22, A23, A24. Third row is A31, A33, A32, A33, A34. It has 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 cross 4. This is an example for a 3 cross 4 matrix. It has 3 rows: R1, R2, R3 and 4 columns: C1, C2, C3, C4. It is an example for a 3 cross 4 matrix. In this problem, Aij is given. Aij is this one. First I have to calculate A11. That means A11 is, replace I by 1, j by 1. A11 becomes half into modulus of, replace I by 1, j by 1, minus 3 into 1 plus j is 1. This is half into, minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. 2 get cancelled, answer is 1. A11 is 1. We have calculated the first element A11. Aij is given to be half into minus 3i plus j. A11 means replace I by 1, j by 1. I by 1, j by 1. Second element is A12. Replace I by 1, j by 2. A12 is, Aij is given half into modulus of, A12 means replace I by 1, j by 2. This is minus 3 into I is 1, j is 2. Replace I by 1, j by 2. This is half into, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is plus 1. Final answer is 1 by 2. Second element is 1 by 2. We have finished calculating A11, A12. Next I have to calculate A13. Aij is given to be half into modulus of, we have to replace I by 1, j by 3. Minus 3 into I is 1, j is 3. This is nothing but half into 0. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0, half into 0 is 0. We have calculated A13. Next we have to calculate A14. A14 is, half into modulus of, replace I by 1, j by 4. Minus 3 into 1, j is nothing but 4. This is half into, 4 minus 3 is 1. Answer is 1 by 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. Half into 1 is half. We have calculated the fourth element A14. Next I have to calculate A21. A21 means replace I by 2 j by 1. Half into replace I by 2 j by 1 minus 3 into 2 j by 1. Replace I by 2 j by 1. This is half into modulus of minus 6 plus 5 is minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is plus 5 by 2. Modulus of minus 5 is plus 5 by 2. Next you have to calculate this element. I is 2, j is also equal to 2. Calculate A22. Replace I by 2, j by 2. Half into minus 3 into 2, j is also equal to 2. I is 2, j is 2. This is half into modulus of minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is plus 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. Next you have to calculate the third, seventh element. I is 2, j is 3. A23. Half into modulus of replace I by 2 j by 3 here. Minus 3 into I is 2 j is 3. I is 2 j is 3. Minus 3 into I is 2 j is 3. This is half into modulus of minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 3. That is nothing but minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 3 by 2. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 3 by 2. A2 is 3 by 2. Next you have to calculate A24, the eighth element. A24 is I is 2, j is 4. This is half into modulus of I is 2, j is 4. Minus 3 into 2, j is 4. Half into minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. This is 1. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 plus 2. Half into 2 is 1. The next element is A31. We have to calculate A31. A31 means I is 3, j is 1. This is half into modulus of replace I by 3, j by 1. This is minus 3 into I is 3, j is 1. This is half into minus 9 plus 1. This is half into minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is plus 8. This is 4. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. Modulus of minus 8 is plus 8. 1 by 2 into 8 is 4. Next you have to calculate A32 element. A32 is I is 3, j is 2. Half into modulus of I is 3, j is 2. This is minus 3 into I is 3, j is 2. Half into modulus of minus 9 plus 2. This is half into modulus of minus 7 is plus 7. Answer is 7 by 2. Next, you have to calculate A33. A33, I is 3, j is 3. Half into modulus of minus 3 into 3, j is nothing but 3. J is 3. Half into modulus of minus 9 plus 3. Half into Modulus of minus 6, this is nothing but 3. Modulus of minus 6 is plus 6, 6 by 2 is 3. The last element is A34. I is 3, J is 4. This is half into modulus of minus 3 into I is 3, J is 4. Half into modulus of minus 9 plus 4 is modulus of minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is plus 5 divided by 2. Now we have to substitute all these values in the matrix A. Therefore, the final answer, matrix A is. The final answer, matrix A is. A11 is nothing but 1. First element A11 is nothing but 1. A11 is 1. A12 is 1 by 2. A12 is 1 by 2. A13 is 0. A13 is 0. A14 is 1 by 2. A14 is 1 by 2. Next, A21 is 5 by 2. A21 is 5 by 2. A22 is 2. A23 is 3 by 2. A24 is 1. A31 is 4. A31 is 4. Next is 7 by 2. Next is 3. Next is 5 by 2. This is a 3 cross 4 matrix. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. See, this is the final answer. If you calculate all these things, if you don't write the matrix, you will get 0 marks. Writing this matrix carries 1 mark. Again, same, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 2 into I minus j. 2I minus j. Again, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Same. Calculate all these things. Three cross 4 matrix is A11, A12, A13, A14. A21, A22, A23, A24. A31, A32, A33, A34. This is a 3 cross 4 matrix. Aij is given by this one. Try this problem as homework. Calculate A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A4. A11 is 2 into 1 minus 1. This is 1. I is 1, J is 1. 2 into 1 minus 1. A12 is 2 into 1 minus 2. 0. A13 is 2 into 1 minus 3 minus 1. A14 is 2 into 1 minus 4. This is nothing but minus 2. A21 is 2 into 2 minus 1. This is nothing but 3. A22 is 2 into 2 minus 2. This is nothing but 2. I is 2, J is 2. A23 is 2 into 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. A24 is 2 into 2 minus 4, 0. A31 is 2 into 3 minus 1. This is 5. A through 2 into 3 minus 2. 4. A3 3 is 2 into 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. A3 4 is minus 2. Therefore, the required matrix is. Therefore, answer is A11 is 1, 0, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 4, 3. I will continue this in my next class.